Greetings, my V family all over the world. This is your chief, gorgeous as usual, with his limitless jacket. All right, standing here and doing a short but very powerful module. I hope you enjoy it, about one of the secrets of network marketing. Now, over the years, guys, I've always told you there is no secret. All right, you just got to do what you have to do, be consistent, never switch off, and keep going. But recently, I thought back to my journey. I thought back to my journey sitting down and listening to the greatest upline, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran, and everything he taught me. And he taught me a valuable lesson from the early days when I started my journey, that everyone who signs up doesn't know anything. All right? That's the first thing you have to remember. That when you sign up your guy or girl, your first sign up, your second sign up, your third sign up, recognize the fact that the only information they have is what you tell them and what they Google. All right. Now, when they Google stuff, there may be some negativity still lingering somewhere on the World Wide Web. You address it. All right, guys. But very simple. We've been around for over 20 years, guys. All right. We are partners with one of the greatest football teams in the world, Manchester City. We are in 40 countries. We have offices in 40 countries around the world. We have IRs in over 190 countries around the world. We have reached millions of people over the past 20 years. What does it say? Simply says we are here to stay. All right, and we are the fastest growing e-commerce direct selling company in the whole industry. All right, our products are great. Our comp plan is sexy. We have the highest paying commission ever in the industry. All right, guys. But what else does that person know? That person is coming in with no expectation. And let me give you my perfect example. What is the world record for the 100-meter race? Do you know? So if tomorrow you start running 100 meters in your village, in your town, in your backyard, and you finish it in 40 seconds, what does it tell you? You are never going to get into the Olympics. You finish it in 10 seconds, hey, I'm impressed. You finish it in 6 seconds, please join the Olympics and win the gold medal. What is that called? That knowledge is called a benchmark. That knowledge basically gives you a crystal clear idea of where you stand in the 100-meter race. That means if you finish the 100-meter race in 1 minute, guys, all right, it means you are the lowest and lowest and the lowest. You finish it 40 seconds, you're not good enough. 30 seconds, you're not good enough. All right, because the world record is under 9 seconds. Now, this is a wake-up call that knowledge creates a benchmark. And once you have that benchmark, you decide whether you are even going to attempt to do it. So now, how many of you are going to attempt to win the gold medal in the Olympics? Right now, just by your basic knowledge of your physique, your basic knowledge of the benchmark of the 100-meter champion of the Olympics, Usain Bolt, you already know you're never going to try it. You're never going to try it. You're never going to attempt it. You're too old, too fat, too slow, all right, or completely physically unfit. You're never going to attempt to win that gold medal in the Olympics simply because a benchmark is declared. A benchmark is announced to the world. All right? That means you give up even before trying. You don't even bother. Now, in network marketing, it's the same philosophy. That the network marketing industry or your success in QNet is completely dependent on the benchmarks that you fix in your mind. All right? So let me first talk about the first benchmark. What is the ultimate goal in network marketing? Max out. All right? Max out, which is the highest income you can earn based on your rank, whether you are gold, platinum, sapphire, diamond, blue diamond. That is the highest commission you can earn in 1 week from one tracking center. But you can have multiple tracking centers, so the potential is limitless. Now, what is the max out? The max out is the highest income you earn in one tracking center. All right, so you come into QNet, immediately you hear this word, max out, max out, max out. All right, and you ask yourself, can I do it? Now, how do you decide that? How do you decide whether you know you can possibly max out or not in QNet? How do you decide it? Somebody tells you the benchmark. You see the benchmark all around you. Now let me tell you, there are people who have maxed out in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years, 5 years. There are variable of benchmarks of what it takes for somebody to reach max out in their QNet business. And depending on your organization, depending on your upline, how passionate you are, how hungry you are, you now decide when you want to max out. But the beauty of max out is that based on 22 years of our history, all right, or 20 over years of our history as a network marketing company, max out happens every day. Max out is happening to thousands of people as I'm speaking to you right now. That means what? That means the minute you start your journey or you start your race to max out, you already have a belief system that it is possible. And that's the most fundamental thing. You just need to know it's possible. Now, winning the 100 meters Olympic gold medal in your mind right now is not even possible. It's impossible. I'm never going to make it happen. I'm too old. It's never going to happen. But max out, it's possible. Why? Because it's not a 100-meter race. You can max out at 75 years old. You can max out at 18 years old. You can max out as a housewife or homemaker. You can max out as a PhD holder. You can max out if you're jobless. You can max out if you don't speak English. You can max out if you don't know how to use a computer. Who are still in university maxing out. And people who have retired and thought they could never dream again, maxing out. And Dato Sri Vijay, 20 over years ago, told me to my face that it's possible, that you can do it. And that ignited a belief in my mind. Because if you don't believe you can max out, it will never happen. If Usain Bolt did not believe he would win the gold medal, all right, that he could create a new world record, it will never happen. So what does it mean? All right, that right now, you are a QNet IR. So looking at this video right now, let me tell you with no uncertainty, it is possible. All right, you just need to know what you need to do. You need to know how to do it, how fast to do it, but it's possible. So while watching this video, the first thing you need to do is decide when. Decide when. All right, and now don't tell me tomorrow. You need to know where you stand. You need to understand your tracking center, left, right. You need to know how many active guys on the left, how many active guys on the right. You need to know what army you have that is going to fight this battle all the way until you reach max out. So you could put 4 months, no problem. 1 year, no problem. Now don't put 15 years. Then you're a moron. And I'm saying it with love. All right? Because you cannot create a benchmark that is so far that you're going to quit before you get there. You need to create a benchmark, a timeline, a date that you're going to max out. So you're going to write it down on your mirror. Max out what date, what year. You've got to write it down. You need to know that that is your ultimate goal. Now, how do you get there? You get there, there's one secret. Shh. And I'm sharing with you. All right? And nobody else. This is only for the QNet beautiful downlines of Dato Sri Vijay Japadas Bismarck, our great founders. All right? And this secret is coming from your chief because I used it and I maxed out. You understand? Now, the first rule you have to understand, when the guy signs up, he is an empty cup. And your duty is to create the benchmark in his mind. Your duty is to create the right benchmarks in his mind. And when I got into this business and I sat down with my upline, Dato Sri Vijay, he created the benchmark. I asked him, Dato Sri, how many people should I sign up? He said, as many as you can. So in my first 48 hours of networking, my first 48 hours as an IR, I signed up 22 direct referrals. My closest friends, my cousins, my 2 brothers, everyone. I just signed them up. I was hungry, I was crazy, and I didn't know it was great. Now you are listening and you're saying, wow, Chief, 22 people in 48 hours? Unbelievable! That's what you were saying, you know. But for me, I didn't celebrate. I didn't know it was good, because Dato Sri created a limitless benchmark. He said as many people as you can, and the way he said it, I knew even 10 was too little, and I went for 22. All right, 22 directs in 48 hours, and to me it was normal. And that time we didn't have the internet, we didn't have YouTube, we didn't have sharing of information. So that became my benchmark in my organization. And everyone who signed up, I told them, I did 22, you must do 22, minimum. And I pushed them, and I pushed them, and I pushed them. Then I realized after a while that many people were not achieving 22 directs in 48 hours. Because as your organization grows bigger and bigger, your ability to channel your passion, to channel your belief is limited. Today, thanks to technology, thanks to videos like this, I can channel my passion, channel my belief across the planet. But back then, in 1998, we were restricted, we were limited. And slowly I start to realize more and more people couldn't do 22 directs in 48 hours. Then they got disappointed. Then they got depressed. Then they quit the business because they thought that was the benchmark. Not even great, normal. All right? And then I realized I had to change the benchmark. I had to change the benchmark that anyone, anywhere, all right, could achieve it. It was a benchmark for the masses. And that's how I created a module that I did way back in 1999, 2000, which I'm bringing back to all of you today on this video. The secret is ACT 48. ACT 48. All right, that means activation of your tracking center in 48 hours. This is the ultimate benchmark. This is moron proof. Monkey see, monkey do. Any Tom, Dick and Sally around the world can achieve it. And when I implemented ACT 48 as the new normal, as the new benchmark, everyone in my organization could achieve it, and they felt good that they could achieve it. It became like normal. Anyone who signs up, immediately activate in 48 hours. Now what is activate? Right? When you sign up, you get a tracking center. You bought a great product. All right? And then what do? You need one sign up on the left, one sign up on the right. Whether it's 1000 BV, 3000 BV, even better, 5000 BV, unbelievable, 7000 BV, welcome to 2 steps immediately. All right, guys? And what you need to do, you need to find one on the left, one on the right, which is find 2, within the first 48 hours from the minute you sign up. From the minute your new sign-up signs up, from that moment in 48 hours, he must find 2. He must activate his tracking center ACT 48. Now, how does he do it? You're saying, Chief, how did you convince people? Everyone in my organization activate in 48 hours. All right. Thank God to Dato Sri Vijay's guidance. I had almost a perfect tree. All right. And max out happened like that. That's how fast it happens. All right. If you focus on this one key behavior in your whole organization of ACT 48, that means anyone who signs up, activate in 48 hours. This is normal. Now, don't throw flowers. Don't celebrate like you won the World Olympic gold medal. No, it must be normal. All right. Yes, you can say, great job. No problem. Shake the hand. Now, cannot shake hand. All right. Do a fist bump or a elbow, shake. All right. Whatever the new norm is. But they must understand that if they don't do it, if they don't do activation in 48 hours, there is something seriously wrong with them. All right? They deserve to be in a mental hospital. I'm telling you guys that ACT 48 is the easiest behavior to duplicate in your organization. Now, how do you do it? It comes back to the 2 most important lists in network marketing. The dream list. Remember this. When you wrote down your first dream list, your dream house, your dream car, all right, that Rolex watch you always wanted, okay, flying business or flying first class, sending your kids to the best school, all right, in your country, treating your wife like a queen she deserves to be treated, giving back to your parents, giving back to your husband, whatever it is, you have a dream list. And that dream list is the fuel that is going to take you to max out. That dream list is the fuel for you driving at full speed to max out. Now the second list, which I believe is the most important list in network marketing, and nobody talks enough about it, nobody addresses it, all right, is your name list, your foundation. Without a name list, you're not going to get anywhere. I'm standing here today as your upline, as your chief, all right, because of my name list. Now your name list is a list of people who you are going to talk about QNet to. Call them prospects, call them potential max out kings or queens, however you want to use the terminology. Now your name list has three categories. Hot, like me, all right, warm, cold. Now what are these three categories? Hot means the people closest to you, your inner circle, your brother, sister, best friend, ex-girlfriend, existing girlfriend, future girlfriend, wife, husband, all right, mother-in-law, mom, dad, favorite auntie, not so favorite auntie, doesn't matter. These are people who will never say no to you for anything. It could be 10 names, it could be 22 names like me, it could be 50 names if everyone really loves you. And then you got warm. Warm is your colleagues, your ex-classmates, all right, your neighbor who you're not so close to, all right, somebody, warm. Cold is complete strangers, your hairdresser, all right, which changes every week. Okay, your grocery shop auntie or friend who you just say hello, what's up, nothing. Cold, they don't even know your name, all right. But now how does Act 48 work? Act 48 works by you sitting down with your new sign-up, completing the dream list, which is igniting the fire of belief, all right, and completing the name list, and then extract the hot zone list of names, 10, 5, 8, 20, 25, doesn't matter. Sit with that guy on the first day itself, all right, or sit with that girl on the first day of their sign up and tell them, who are the two people from this whole list? Who are these two people from this whole list will never say no to you? And we all as humans have two people who will never say no to me, all right, or to you. I had 22, maybe you have 5, you have 6, but let's start with 2. All right, now these two people, with the help of the upline, you do a quick presentation, get them excited, sign them up. Not too much information, not a 1-hour presentation, not a 2-hour presentation. Don't confuse them, all right, and no need to convince them. Because remember, these are the two people who will never, never, never say no to you. These are the two people who will sign up just because it's you. And that's how easy it is to activate your tracking center. One on the left, one on the right. These are the shut up and sign up people. This is like Sati and Kuna, my brothers. All right, this is the easiest task for people to do. But they must know there is a timeline, which is 48 hours. Non-negotiable, not 1 minute later, all right, not acceptable. They must understand that within these 48 hours from the minute their receipt is coming out from the QNet website or app, from the minute they get their receipt, in 48 hours they must get these 2 sign-ups. That must be your goal as the referrer and upline. It must be their goal, all right, the minute they sign up. Act 48. Where do you get these 2 direct sign-ups from? From your hot zone. It's like that, guys. That all of us today started off with our hot zone. Our first check, our first early payout commission, which is guaranteed if you do Act 48. You get the early payout. They see money. They get the retail profit and they get their first early payout by QNet in their comp plan. That means they start to increase their belief. Because they said, my God, this works. The first 2 people will never say no to you. Your rejections come later. Your fear of approaching the people closest to you, because you are almost unclear how to approach them. I called my cousin all the way in London and said, I started a business, I need you to join me. He said, how much? I said, $2,000 US, boom. He transferred the money. I showed him the plan after 2 weeks, guys. All right, because this is the hot zone. These are people who are not going to complain. These are people who are not going to cause drama. These are 2 people from your list of 150 names who will never say no to you. Now, Act 48 must become a mantra. Act 48 must become a culture. Act 48 must be the norm. And if your whole organization, all right, understands that this is the mantra that you keep repeating: activation 48 hours, act 48, you must find 2 within 48 hours. Just keep repeating and repeating and repeating. It will go viral in your organization, but it also becomes normal. That's the key. The key is the human being is not used to great achievements. See, max out, everyone has trouble believing that you must show a lot of proof. You must tell a lot of stories about the max out kings and queens that we have in QNet. You must show them the possibility. But Act 48, come on. Just do it. It's moron proof. Monkey see, monkey do. This must be the culture that you instill. This must be the first achievement. And remember, the human being, right, gets switched on, gets excited. The fire gets ignited when they achieve even the smallest goal. And Act 48, activation, find 2 in 48 hours, is the achievement they need. And I guarantee you, if your downlines just follow this mantra to perfection, that every sign-up must get 2 sign-ups in 48 hours, nobody will switch off. Nobody will drop out. All right? Because they see results. And when they see the retail profit, and they see the early payout, and they see that money in their Quest account, their journey begins. They are now believers. All right? And then you take them to the next step, and the next step, and the next step. But the secret, shh, don't tell anyone else, is Act 48. If you want people to believe that networking works, if you want people to understand the power of networking, the only answer is results. And sometimes the first step is a big result to achieve. Max out may be too far for them to believe. But Act 48, anyone, including your mom, your mother-in-law, the oldest person you ever know, to the youngest person you ever know, every human being has 2 people who will never say no to them. That was my secret. And that's how we built a global organization under the great leadership of Dato Sri Vijay Japaras Bismarck. And if you implement Act 48,